Ooh. New story. Victor Crowley versus Superdog Terry. Part 2. The conclusion. It's about to go down. Here's the official picture. Yes, see. Here it is, everyone. Glory to God for the creativity. Here is a quick recap. Victor Crowley almost kills a married couple who was separated from their group, but Superdog Terry gets there in time to rescue them. After a nice guy gets thrown up against a tree and his wife checking on him to see if he's okay, both of those lovers almost got crushed by Victor's hands, but Superdog Terry arrives. Victor tries to swing his hatchet at Superdog, but he is too slow. Superdog likes to dance and knocks out Victor with one punch. Superdog talks to the two lovers to see if they are fine, but Victor gets up and grabs Terry's arms when his back is turned. The monster is very strong. He pulls back, thinking he broke the bones. But Superdog is holding back his full power and uses just enough strength to break free from Victor. Superdog Terry teleports and picks up Victor by the neck. He flies with him about 50 feet in the air and slam dunks Victor like a basketball with a reverse choke slam, face first into the mud below. Ouch, that's gotta hurt. Victor's face is damaged. Ugh. So bad that he is not moving. About an hour later, kids are playing outside but tell their parents that a boogeyman was chasing them and hiding in the dark. Victor is really a ghost and can't stay dead even if he gets destroyed in his physical form. He keeps coming back eventually. This time, Victor goes after the other tourists in another area of the swamp, but Superdog Terry lifts a heavy swamp boat and drops it on top of Victor Crowley, smashing the killer into a bloody mess. Ugh. Superdog is angry at the monster for trying to hurt the children. Yeah, leave those babies alone. Leave the kids alone. Jesus Christ would definitely be mad with anyone trying to harm the little ones. He even says it in the Bible. It's true, folks. Victor dies again, but fights again when everyone least expects it. Most people is asleep now. And they were having trouble starting up the boat. Victor shows up and takes out his axe, but Superdog Terry makes his sword clash against Victor's weapon. The sword versus the axe. Now that's a cool fight by itself. Victor surprises Terry and stabs him a few times. He's trying to kill me. Superdog is injured. Victor tries to chop off his head. He wants to take off my head? No! But Superdog ducks out the way right when that blade goes over. That was close. And heals up very quickly. He slices Victor in half. I slice Victor with my sword and pours holy oil on the creature, asking God to send the freak to hell. Everybody thanks Terry, but he gives Jesus the glory. The end. Yup, I asked the Lord in heaven, please send Victor straight to hell, to the lake of fire, where he belongs. No more hurting innocent people. Yay!